In this video today, I'm going to be working out the determinant of a 4x4 matrix, and therefore this is a 4x4 matrix. We're having 4 rows and 4 columns. So that to get the determinant of this, if you're familiar with a 3x3 matrix and how to get its determinant, then here you're just good to go. So that's what we are going to work hard in our steps to bring about, so that we can easily get the determinant. So you find out of that the determinant in this case. Now we are going to say that we are going to have one, then the determinant. Now, as we do when we are working out a 3x3 matrix, so you find that choose, for example, I've chosen 1 from, for example, the first row, the first row, and then that means that I'm going to eliminate its row and its column, and therefore I'll be taking, for example, 2 2 1 5 1 3 2 1 1, and therefore let me write them down to form a matrix. And therefore I'm going to have 2 2 1 5 1 3 2 1 1. Then remember, signs go on changing, and therefore minus 2, I'm going to have 3 2 1 4 1 3 and 1 1 1. Yes, plus I'm having 1, I'm going to have 3 2 1 and 4 5 3. I'm going to have 1 2 1. Then minus, I'm having 4, I'm going to have 3 2 2 4 5 1 and 1 2 1. And therefore this is a 3x3 matrix that I've obtained, of which this is a 3x3, a 3x3, a 3x3, and a 3x3. So you find out of that these are the ones that's like, I know that these ones are very easy to get. So having done so, I'm going to come here and say that now I'm going to work out one by one, giving them positions. For example, this one be in position 1, and this one take position 2, and this take position 3, and this one take position 4 in this case. So having given them positions, now let me work out one by one. Therefore, let me start with the first one. Therefore, so this is 2. I'm going to have 1 3 1 1. Then minus, I'm going to have 2. Then I'm going to have 5 3 2 1 plus 1. Here I'm going to have 5 1 2 1. Therefore I'm going to have something here that's going to be 2 into 1 minus 3, close this, minus 2 into 5 minus 6, close this, plus 1 into 5 minus 2. And therefore I'm going to have 2 into negative 2, close this, minus 2 into negative 1, close this, plus 1 into 3. And therefore I'm going to have negative 4 plus 2 plus 3. Yes, and you find that this and this, for example, I'm going to have here, it's going to be negative 4 plus 5, giving us a 1. and therefore the determinant of the first matrix is 1. Therefore, let's give it a 1 down here and put it in a circle. So out of that, that one is done. Now let's go to the second one. Now on the second matrix, I'm going to come and say that I'm having 3, I'm having, then to have a matrix of 1, 3, 1, 1, minus 2, I'm going to have 4, 3, 1, 1, plus 1, I'm going to have here 4, 1, 1, 1. And therefore, I come here, I'm going to say this is 3 into 1 minus 3, close this, minus 2 into 4 minus 3, plus 1 into 4 minus 1. And therefore, I'm going to have, this is going to be 3 into negative 2, minus 2 into 1, plus 1 into 3. Therefore, this is negative 6 minus 2 plus 3. And therefore, this is negative 8 plus 3, which would give me a negative 5. And therefore, the determinant of the second matrix is negative 5. Okay, let's go to the third matrix. Now, for the third matrix, I'm going to have 3, I'm going to have then 5, 3, 2, 1, minus 2 with the matrix of 4, 3, 1, 1, plus 1 matrix of 4, 5, 1, 2. Now out of that, I come here and say this is 3 into 5 minus 6 minus 2 into 4 minus 3 plus 1 into 8 minus 5. And therefore, this is 3, 2, I'm going to have negative 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3. And therefore, I'm going to have here, this is negative 3 minus 2 plus 3. And therefore, this will go with this. I'll have negative 2. And therefore, the third matrix has a determinant of negative 2. Let's put it down here. Okay, now let's go to the fourth matrix. Now, for the fourth matrix, we are going to have 3, 3, and 5. We are going to have 5, 1, 2, 1, minus 2. I'm going to have 4, 1, 1, 1, close this, plus 2. I'm going to have 4, 5, 1, 2. And therefore, I'm going to come here and say this is 3 into, this is 5 minus 2, close this, minus 2 into 4 minus 1, plus 2 into 8 minus 5. Therefore, this is 3 into, this is 3 minus, this is 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3. And therefore, this will cancel with this, but this is going to be 9. And therefore, the fourth matrix has given us the determinant of 9. Now, let's do now the final step. Now, for the final step is that we are going to get the coefficients of which, let's say coefficients, and then afterwards we multiply with the determinants. So 1 and its matrix had a determinant of 1. Now take the sign in front. I'm having 2 into negative 5 plus 1 into negative 2 minus 4 into 9. And therefore, I'm going to have 1 plus 10 minus 2 minus, this would be 36. And therefore, if you look at this, this is 11 minus, I'm going to have here 38. And when you work out this would be negative 27 as the determinant of a 4 by 4 matrix. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please share if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice time.